fit and fine and taking care of yourself and completing your work on time. Very good. Now, again, I am back to teach you an interesting subject, that is EVS. Yes, today I will teach you EVS. And do you know today what I will going to teach you? What I am going to teach you all? Don't know or not? No, you all. Today we will study summer season. Yes, today we will study summer season. Acha, tell me, what is summer season? Yes, in summer season we feel hot. In summer season we feel hot. Yes, summer season में हम लोग को गर्मी लगती है. Very good. Yes, and what we do in the summer season? We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Which type of clothes we wear? We wear cotton clothes in summer. Again, I want to tell you what is summer season. In summer season we feel hot. Summer season में हम लोग को क्या लगती है? गर्मी लगती है. Yes, nowadays this season is going on. Summer season is going on. So we are feeling hot or not? Yes, we all are feeling hot in this season. And we wear cotton clothes in summer. We wear cotton clothes in summer. हम लोग summers में कौन से clothes पहनते हैं? Cotton clothes पहनते हैं. Very good. Yes. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Yes. And what are the other things which we use in summer season? When we feel hot, we use fan in summer season. Yes, na? Yes. Whenever we feel hot, we use fan in summer season. जब भी हम लोग को गर्मी लगती है तो हम लोग फैन यूज करते हैं समर सीजन में. यस. एंड व्हेन वी फील हॉट वी ऑल्सो यूज एसी इन समर सीजन. हम लोग एसी भी यूज करते हैं. यस. वी यूज फैन, वी यूज एसी, एंड वन मोर थिंग वी यूज इन समर सीजन व्हेन वी फील हॉट, वी यूज कूलर ऑल्सो. Yes, we use cooler in summer season. 3 things which we use is fan, AC and cooler. Very good. Now, what are the things which we eat in summer season? और क्या चीज़ होती है जो हम लोग summer season में खाते हैं? Just now I told you the things which we use when we feel hot. जब हम लोग को गर्मी लगती है तो हम लोग कौन सी 3 चीज़ यूज़ करते हैं? Fan, AC and now I'm going to tell you the things which we eat in summer season. There are something special which we are eating in summer season. Yes, and the things are mango. We are eating mango only in summer season. Yes, we are eating mango only in summer season. हम लोग mango सिर्फ कब खाते हैं? Summer season में खाते हैं. Yes, so first number is summer season. And what are the other things which we eat? We eat watermelon also in summer season. We eat watermelon in summer season. हम लोग समर सीजन में क्या खाते हैं? मैंगो खाते हैं और क्या खाते हैं? वाटरमेलन खाते हैं. तो हम लोग को सिर्फ समर में ही मिलता है. यस ना? यस. सो फर्स्ट फ्रूट इज मैंगो, सेकेंड फ्रूट इज वाटरमेलन, एंड वन मोर थिंग इज देयर विच वी आर ईटिंग इन समर सीजन, दैट इज आइसक्रीम. यस, we eat ice cream in summer season. Yes, and we eat something else you are also eating or not? You are eating or not? No, only 3 things we are eating, that is mango, watermelon and ice cream. Very good. Yes, but 2-3 things we are drinking in summer season, that is juice. Yes, that is juice. We are drinking juice in summer season. We are drinking cold water in summer season. हम लोग जो गर्मी में जब हम लोग whenever we are feeling hot, we drink juice or we drink cold water. Yes, जब भी हम लोग को गर्मी लगती है तो हम लोग क्या करते हैं? या फिर जूस पीते हैं या फिर ठंडा पानी पीते हैं. Yes. So what are the things which we are using or which we are eating in summer season? It's mango, watermelon, ice cream, juice, and cold water. 5 things which we are eating. We are eating so many things, but these 5 things mostly we are eating in summer only. Yes, we are not eating in winter season. Okay, so now it's time to see those some objects which we are using or which we are eating in summer season. Now this is the thing which we are wearing in summer season. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Repeat after me. We wear cotton clothes in summer season. Yes, see, this is a cotton cloth. This is frock. This is cotton frock, and we feel relaxed after wearing this frock. Yes, so we wear cotton clothes in summer. Yes, now it's time to see the next. And this is mango. We eat mango in summer season. This is mango, and we eat mango in summer season. Yes, and the other object is we drink juice in summer season. Yes, this is juice. It's sweet in taste. क्या होता है? मीठा होता है टेस्ट में. Yes, this is juice. We drink juice whenever we feel hot. We drink juice or we drink cold water whenever we feel hot. Yes, so my dear students, today I have shown so many objects which we use in summer season. Same you all will do. आप लोग भी ऐसे ही करोगे. आप लोग के घर में जो भी चीज़ होगी जो आप लोग समर्स में यूज़ करते हैं, the things which you all are using in summer season. We all are using cotton clothes. See, ma'am is wearing. We use cotton clothes. We use mango. We use cold water. We use fan. We use cooler. जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट आपके घर में होंगे जो आप समर सीजन में यूज़ करते हो, ओके, यू विल मेक अ शॉर्ट वीडियो. आप एक छोटी सी वीडियो बनाओगे उस ऑब्जेक्ट को बताते हुए, एंड यू विल सेंड इट टू योर क्लास टीचर. फिर आप उसको किसको भेजोगे? अपनी क्लास टीचर को भेजोगे. ओके, so by the time, bye bye everyone, take care of yourself, stay safe, stay at your home. See you all next time.